I'm doing this for the subscribers, man. So many people say so many things about this company. I saw this guy earlier. I'm gonna knock on the door and I'm gonna just straight up ask him, man. And let's see what it's really about. I hope he don't think I'm too rude, man. Man, he opened it. He looked. I'm so sorry, bro. I hope you ain't sleeping or nothing like that. But, oh, were you on the phone? I'm sorry. Man, all I gotta say is, man, I heard some things about this company, and I just want to ask the truth, man. How long you been working with this company, man?
Last year, maybe about 7 months now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, about 7, 8 months.
Man, please don't punch me in the face when I ask this, man, but how much money you guys actually make, bro? Hey, I make YouTube videos. I promise I do everything for trucking, man. And, you know, I just want to ask a couple questions, if that's cool, bro. You know, I didn't want to disrespect your time or nothing like that.
I mean, it's like, it depends on you, how much you want to work, you know what I mean? It's out there, you just have to work for it.
Really?
Yeah, you gotta work for it. I can throw numbers out there, like, I could say, hey man, you can make $8,000
a week?
Yeah, I'm just throwing it out there. Like, you can say, I can make $8,000 a week, but I'm actually working, you know what I mean? I'm out there, I'm running, you know what I mean? Sometimes you may get put in a position where, you know, let's say, I'm gonna give you an example. Let's say I grab a load from down here, it's paying what? $1, you know, it's bad down here with the loads. They're paying $1.15 to go somewhere like Wisconsin. I might not make no money on that load, but going there would put me in a position coming out of there to make more money. So it all depends, man. One week you might make a shitload of money. Next week you might make a little under, but it
evens out. It evens out.
Balance out.
What was your biggest paycheck, man?
Not what you make is what you can save.
Woo!
You know what I mean?
I love
so a
that.
lot of times as drivers, we go out there, you might see a lot of signs, different food areas and places, and you want to stop. You might want you a Flying J combo or something like that. Have to be very careful. You can spend all your money. You know, anywhere this wheel stop, anywhere this truck stop at, you're gonna be paying some bucks, man.
I heard that, man.
You know what I mean?
Hey, I appreciate that, bro.
But
yeah,
the more the wheel turn, is the more money you earn.
Hey, I love that, bro. That's awesome. Yeah. That's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool, man.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I'll wait for you. Do you got some of these numbers on your phone or anything I can look at? I know I'm asking hard, bro. I know.
Yeah, they might want to see it, man.
You already know they're gonna want to see. So,
yeah, of course.
Is this let people know the
this
truth?
for the week right here?
Week for a solo driver, or?
Yeah, this is a week for a solo driver right here. You see this right here?
Let me see.
It's a statement right here.
Wait a whoa. If I can't see it, you can send it to me, huh?
Of course.
Yeah. Wait up. It says $14,794. And that's for the week?
Great week. Yep, that was a good week.
That was a good week?
Yep, good week.
And that's gross, people. Just know that.
Yeah, that was a good week.
This is you as an owner-operator or a company driver?
Huh? Owner-operator.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So these are owner-operator numbers.
Yeah.
$14,000
Yep.
for a good week.
Yep.
Now, how much you got to stay out to make that type of money?
It depends on the load. The week, you know, depends on how the load's paying. Like I said, you have and you have to have your hazmat too to make great extra money. You know what I mean? It depends. You go in California and get a load coming out of there. California paying anywhere from $4 to $5 in some of those areas coming out. You know what I mean? Going up north paying good money too. So, yeah, you know, you have to just run.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
Run
man.
it.
You're so honest, bro.
Yeah, you gotta run it.
I appreciate you, bro.
I mean, most people, you know, of course, you're not gonna come inside a truck and pick up $20,000. You have to work. You know, sometimes it's not easy. We all know that, but we in it to win it, so you have to just work. You know.
That's what's up.
Get
man.
in.
People have some good, and some people have some bad things to say about this company. You personally, what are your thoughts?
I haven't had any bad experience with the company so far. They've been treating me great. Honestly, down to all the staffs, you know, I could talk about the recruiting, my dispatcher Carmen, Rich, the management. You know, they've been treating me great. I mean, every time I call, they answer for anything. Safety is number one, of course. Of course, they care about me, but also their trucks, so they making sure that's, you know, up to par, everything good. I'm not stuck out there. I don't have nobody to call. If I'm down or something happens, I might lose my. Not saying I lost my wallet, but just in case, if I ever, you know, things happen, you could lose your wallet there. You know, you have people to help you out, cash advance if you need, and things like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, they actually been treating me great.
That's cool, man. Yeah. So
I haven't had any problems.
That's what's up, brother. So, you know,
Yeah.
you got any social medias? Because I know I knocked on your door, bro. But
Yeah, man. I actually Game Dame 13 on Instagram.
I'm about to give you my number and send me all links.
All right, got you.
That'd be cool, man.
And also Dame Stu on Facebook.
Send me all links.
I got
We're
you,
gonna do
man.
it, bro. Hey,
I got you, man.
I just appreciate you
I was
on
in there
this.
jamming some music.
I
man.
know, man. I was
You
like,
know,
man, I was like
bullets, but you know. Yeah.
I was like, man, I hope this guy don't hurt me, punch me in the face for asking this stuff, because I know it's disrespectful at times. But I'm that dude that likes to pop up and just give the real.
Actually, I thought you was one of those security guys, man. You know when you be in those truck stops sometimes and you parked in the area.
Yeah. No, I ain't.
Sometimes but you was polite. You know, normally we get the big bang on the window.
Yeah.
Boom, boom, boom.
That's
Hey,
disrespectful.
man. But yeah, it was cool. It's all right.
I appreciate you, bro.
I don't mind sharing out information because we out here trying to make some money, you know?
And I like what you said, man. It's not how much you make, it's how much you save.
Yeah, it's how much you save. Don't get caught in those bad habits out there. It's a lot of them.
I heard
Don't
that.
get caught, you know, you got to save up your money. You can't be just buying everything up, everything you see. Those trucking areas, everybody knows, supersized drinks with almost $6. You know what I mean?
Yep.
You ain't gonna make no money. You might think you're not getting paid good.
I heard
Spending
that.
all your money there and things like that. But
So you gotta save it, man.
You have to.
And especially if it's gross, you gotta do your taxes.
Oh yeah.
It's tax time, baby.
Tax time, baby.
Hey, I heard that.
But it's worth it, man.
Hey, you know,
it's worth it.
Like you were saying, I liked how you were just honest about that, where you say, hey, some weeks, like you showed, were dope.
Yeah.
And there's some weeks that aren't as dope.
Yeah, it's up and down, man. You know, you might make, like I said, you could. It depends on you, however you want to work, man.
On average, with the way you work, what type of money you gross?
Well, up to what you see, what I just showed you.
That's every week you've been doing something like that?
Man, I've been
10
hustling.
to 4 or 14?
Yeah, you probably get some bad weeks where.
What was
maybe
a bad week for you, gross?
Oh man, about 3.
3?
Yeah, because something like that. You know, because you know, you have shipping problems sometime where you may get loaded. You taking all day, and you might get loaded late and things like that. Mess up your time, mess up the way you're running. So, you know,
So one week you might get 3, and then the next you might get 14.
Yeah.
But then at the end of the month, you're like, damn.
Yeah, you know, one of the things how you make that is you get your hazmat too. You know, that adds on to it. You know, you could get better paying loads for that, you know?
That's good advice.
Yeah,
I appreciate that, bro.
Yeah, man.
My
No
man.
problem, man. All day.
Hey,
You know?
yeah, that's what's up. That's what's up. Yeah.
Sure.